Whether it's inventing an accurate testing kit or finding a cure for COVID-19, researchers and scientists worldwide are working around the clock to combat this pandemic. One such effort has been made by a team of Indian researchers at CSIR Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, New Delhi. They have developed the world's first diagnostic test kit using specially adapted Cas9 protein that will accurately detect the COVID-19 virus. This test kit was developed using a cutting-edge CRISPR-Cas technology. And simply put, it's a genome engineering technology that helps scientists to accurately and quickly detect as well as edit specific DNA of any genome. Now that we're familiar with CRISPR, let's shed some light on the diagnostic test kit that was developed using this technology. The team involved in this innovation was led by Dr. Souvik Maity and Dr. Debojyoti Chakraborty. They have been working on CRISPR for almost 2 years trying to detect single nucleotide polymorphisms responsible for a disease called sickle cell anemia. But when the COVID-19 pandemic struck, they repurposed their mission of using CRISPR to detect the COVID-19 virus. They went on to develop an indigenous test kit that uses the CRISPR-Cas9 technology to detect specific genes of SARS-CoV-2. The test is called FN-Cas9 editor-linked uniform detection assay. Its acronym is FELUDA, which is also the name of a fictitious Bengali investigator from Satyajit Ray's film, thus the name FELUDA test. So why do we need this new test kit when we already have the gold standard RT-PCR? To understand this, we need to have a basic idea of the FELUDA test. FELUDA is a CRISPR-Cas9 based diagnostic test wherein it detects if the SARS-CoV-2 nucleic acid is present in the patient's sample. So first, the sample is collected using a nasopharyngeal swab and the RNA is extracted from this sample. This is followed by a single-step reverse transcription PCR wherein the RNA is used as a template and converted to DNA, which is further amplified into many copies to accurately confirm the presence of a specific virus. The detection is done by immersing a dipstick in the FELUDA mix. Here, the main component of this technology, the Cas9 protein, acts like a barcode and precisely detects the genome sequence of the SARS-CoV-2. Next, the Cas9 SARS-CoV-2 complex moves up on this dipstick. The test result is inferred by development of either two bands. If it's a SARS-CoV-2 positive sample, then the test and the control band appear, and in case of a negative sample, a single control band appears on the test strip. According to Dr. Debojyoti Chakraborty, this technique is a combination of a paper strip chemistry with a CRISPR-Cas9 biology. The test meets high-quality benchmarks with 96% sensitivity and 98% specificity for detecting the novel coronavirus. And that's almost as accurate as the RT-PCR molecular test. However, the gold standard RT-PCR technology requires heavy and expensive qPCR machines, a laboratory, and trained technicians. Whereas the FELUDA test needs only minimal technical expertise, requires no heavy or expensive qPCR machines, and since this is paper-based FELUDA test, it can be carried to even the most remote areas of the country. All of this makes it a more affordable, reliable, and an accessible product. The Drug Controller General of India has given regulatory approvals for the commercial launch of the FELUDA test as per ICMR guidelines. The know-how license of this technology has been transferred to Tata Sons Private Limited. The Tata Group is working closely with CSIR IGIB and ICMR for the development and mass production of the FELUDA test kit. This collaboration of the scientific community and the manufacturing industry to create this high-quality test kit will help India ramp up the COVID-19 test more accurately and economically. The FELUDA technology, which is a made-in-India product, reflects the tremendous R&D talent in the country, thereby contributing to the global healthcare and scientific research world. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.